This is a customizable e-paper display I made for local businesses. You can easily customize it through a web server it hosts through its ESP32. You can customize the business name, a specialty item, an extra message, and what you're out of, which it displays flawlessly, all hosted on a web server by itself. And as soon as you click save, it updates it real time. And I made this for local businesses because they usually have a specialty item and tend to run out of stuff due to their smaller size. On the hardware side, it's an e-paper display and an e-paper board from Seat Studio, which has buttons, a USB-C port, and a battery, which automatically charges through the USB-C port. But I didn't attach that because I didn't have one. It would make it way smaller, but I just use a power bank. Now on the software side, I basically get the info like what the business name and stuff is from the old because it's saved, and then you connect to Wi-Fi for the web server. You get all of the old values like the business name, and then I have my custom web server script, not my web server, like my HTML. And then as soon as somebody clicks save, it puts the saved values into the memory of the ESP30. And that's basically it. And thank you for watching. And please subscribe if you like this.